So now I'll be going through how to install Android Studio. It's the preferred IDE for developing your Android apps. You can use that to write your Android apps in either Java or Kotlin. So we'll just start off with going to Google, and you just download or you search for Android Studio. And we'll see up here at the top we can already jump straight to a download link. From there we can go to download Android Studio from the developer.android app. Click to agree to your terms. I've read them, they're safe. Then you can download that. That's going to take a little bit, so once that's downloaded, we'll go through the setup and install process. Installing Android Studio does have some minimum requirements depending on your operating system. So if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see, or near the bottom, you'll see Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS minimum requirements for installing, successfully running Android Studio. Okay, now that Android Studio Downloader is installed, we can quickly run that one. Just need to confirm, give it permission to install. So it says here, the setup guide will step you through the installation of Android Studio. So they do make it fairly easy. Okay, you can install an Android virtual device. I highly recommend that. That allows you to do your testing on your programs without having to connect your phone to your computer. Choose a location, just using the usuals and allowing it to install. So at the moment I'm installing version 4.1.1, which is the Windows 64-bit version, just under 1 GB in size. Okay, installation's complete, and we can start Android Studio straight away. So you have nothing to import. With Android Studio you can create all your projects, you can use the testing environment using the virtual device. So it's a really good and easy IDE to understand. Some great documentation on the developer.android.com website as well. Alright, it's up to you if you want to send some usage statistics. I find it's fine to do that. Okay, we're just going to go with a standard installation. I do like the Dracula, I like the darker mode. And then we finish. Okay, so that'll install all the components, and we'll come back once those are installed. Okay, so once you've got the installation complete, we can click finish, and you're ready to go. That's it. Android Studio is now ready to go, and you can start creating your first project. As an example, if we click on create new project, we can choose what kind of activities. The most common one is the empty activity. Just go next. We can give it a name, my first app. You can choose your language now. So choosing here whether you want to use Java or Kotlin. Doesn't matter which you use. Kotlin is the best one. If you are going to study Android development, I recommend that you do Kotlin. Here you can now choose also what Android version you wish to use, and depending on what you choose, it depends on how compatible it is with other devices. So if we will go to KitKat, it will jump from 99 down to 98.1. Go to Lollipop, it would be 92.3. So the more advanced SDK that you require, obviously the less current models that might have that version. Once you've hit finished, it will go ahead and create your project basically. And it starts off by preparing your workplace with a Hello World demonstration. Once Android Studio is finished setting up your environment, you'll end up with two files. So the main activity, and this is where your Kotlin or your Java will go in, and that's really the engine of your app. And then you've got the activity main.xml, and that'll be the style or the look. And as I said, the first app that it gives you is a Hello World. Now this is a GUI version. Up here you can decide to go between design, split, or code. So if you go split, you'll see the layout here, and then you'll actually see the code sitting here. Anyway, we won't go into that one. That'll be a future video. So congratulations, you've installed Android Studio, and you're on your journey to creating Android applications.